Struggling with maths? You're not alone. Whether you're aiming to pass with confidence or push for higher grades, strong number skills are the key to success. Welcome to GCSE Maths, Course 1, Core Number Skills and Exam Foundations by Tuition to Advance. Many students lose easy marks in GCSE Maths, not because the questions are hard, but because the foundations aren't secure. Topics like fractions and percentages, negative numbers, powers and standard form. These appear again and again in the exam. If you get these right, you build confidence fast. That's exactly why we created this course. GCSE Maths Course 1 focuses on core number skills, clear step-by-step methods, exam-style questions and strategies. Every lesson includes short, focused video explanations, worked examples, practice questions with full answers, downloadable worksheets and mark schemes. In this course, you'll master integers and negative numbers, powers, roots and standard form, fractions, decimals and percentages, percentage increase and decrease, exam-style word problems, all taught in a clear, calm and structured way, perfect for foundation and higher tier students. At Tuition to Advance, we don't just teach methods, we teach you how examiners award marks, how to avoid common mistakes, how to work confidently under exam pressure. This course is designed to build real understanding, not just memorization. Start building your GCSE Maths confidence today. Join GCSE Maths Course 1, Core Number Skills and Exam Foundations, and take the first step towards exam success. Enroll now with Tuition to Advance.